my channel. If you're new, hello, welcome to my channel. I share budget-friendly DIYs and beauty videos. So make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button down below. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you surprise birthday gift ideas. This was suggested by one of the viewers, and I've decided that every month I will pick at least one suggestion from you guys and do a video on it. So do comment down below what kind of videos do you want, and I will do one video every month. Also follow me on my social media. Let's connect. All the links are in the description and on the screen, so you know what to do. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so for the first gift you'll need a novel, and the idea is to hide a small gift inside the novel so the person receiving it is surprised by the gift. And for that you need to stick the pages like I am doing. I am actually mixing Fevicol and water, so you can apply it with the help of a brush or just use your finger will be quicker. And you need to apply it like I'm doing it on the sides. So while that dries up, mark your guidelines and take your tools out because this will take a while to cut, and you can change the shape of the cutout according to your gift. So I'm applying the Fevicol in the inner area also. This makes sure that the edges are clean. When you're satisfied with the cutout, go ahead and attach your gift to the book. And I am attaching a pendant with the help of a tape. So this gift is suitable for your significant other or even your family. Gift it to your mother. I'm sure she will love it. And this is just a beautiful idea. You can shape it however you want to according to your gift. For the next one, you need an empty matchbox, and I have covered it with black paper and the insides with white paper. I saw this on Pinterest and I found it so cute. I instantly wanted to try it. So I'm making a very tiny camera out of this matchbox, and you need a strip like this and a circle, and these will be used for the lens of the camera. So once you have pasted the pieces, cut the excess with the help of a scissor. The next step is detailing, because that is what is going to make the camera pop out. Since I've used black color as my base, I'm using this white pen for detailing. I also printed out small pictures of me and my sister. So I have pasted it on the black paper and made a cutout so it looks like a Polaroid. So once you finish writing on all the tiny Polaroids, collect all the images and tie it with a cute ribbon. I'm also putting the camera inside a cute box which I already had. I mean, this step is totally optional. If you have something, you can put it inside a box or something like that. Otherwise, just give it like that. And you can always do additional decoration according to you, but I think this turned out to be so adorable. I absolutely love this. So this next idea is a small birthday card which has a scratch card inside it. So the person you're giving it to needs to scratch the card to reveal the birthday present. And I'm really keeping it very simple. I'm decorating with black paper, and this is a technique that you can do to make balloons. I just wanted to do it because the crayons were just lying in front of me and I thought, why not? After the first page is decorated, let's move inside and do the main thing, that is the scratch card. So you'll need a photo paper and wax crayon. The first step is to cut the photo paper in square pieces like that, and write whatever gift you want to give them to, and then rub the crayon above whatever you've written, and then paint it with acrylic color, and that would make the easiest scratch card ever. So for this last idea, I have just paired few things and created a look. I'm going to pack all this inside a file, a boring file. So when you gift it to someone, they will think like, what the hell, what kind of file, what kind of gift is that? who gives a file to a person on a birthday, like what the fuck. And when they open it, inside is the whole outfit and a note which says lunch at promenade at 2 p.m. I just and that's it for the video. So I hope you guys like the video. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.